This 2024 Coachmen Entourage 330DS is a Super CRV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 65 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2024 Coachmen Entourage 330DS is built on a Chevy 5500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.